Hello, I'm making this video because this device is making a loud static noise when charging at maximum at 140 watts. In fact, it's even making a noise right now. Just sitting here doing nothing, it is making a high-pitched screeching sound. There's the box. This cord is a 140 watt charging cord. Here is the box. The cord works. This is the device I have the issue with. This cord is also capable of charging at 140 watts. It came with this power bank. I believe this is the 737 power bank. This works perfectly. I also have this. I believe this is the 717 charger, and this works perfectly. So what I'll do is I will charge something using this, and it will make a high-pitched static noise screeching sound. And then I will also charge things using these because these are silent. So we'll be able to compare them. Charging cord. Manual focus. $140 watts. Both of these USB-C ports are capable of charging at 140 watts. I hear the static noise, the screeching sound. By plugging this in and charging it, it's become much louder. And I will unplug it so you can hear it stop. It stopped. I still hear it making noise, but it's a lot less loud. Now again. The only problem is the loud screeching sound that it is making. Now I will also charge this device using the 717 140 watt charger. Absolutely no sound. Totally silent. No additional noise at all whatsoever. Right now, the 717 is charging the 737. No sound. When this charges anything, there's no sound. Right now it's charging at its maximum. It never makes a sound. This power bank, the 737, when I use this to charge other devices, it makes absolutely no sound. It's totally silent. But this thing is making the loudest charging sound I've ever heard in my entire life. This device is louder than my entire computer. This is the loudest thing in my entire house. Hopefully you hear the sound too. I will watch this video to make sure I can hear the sound. It's a high-pitched, static noise, screeching sound. And it does it non-stop. When it's charging at maximum, it does this non-stop. When I use this to charge other devices like my phone, which only charges at 30 watts, it's not nearly as noticeable. So if you were going to try to replicate this, you would have to charge it at 140 watts at its maximum to make it make the sound, or at least that's what I'm experiencing. And I can only wonder if this is a defective unit or if they all do this. If this is a defective unit, I would like a replacement that doesn't make this screeching sound. I don't understand why it's making the screeching sound. This doesn't make a sound. This doesn't make a sound. But if they're all like this, if all of these devices make this screeching sound, then I just want to return this and I don't even want this. I would rather just use one of these and have some other kind of AC outlet up here. So hopefully this is a defective unit and that the other ones don't make this sound. But please let me know if the other ones make this sound or not. Thank you.